Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Milady Memecoin. We're going to be doing our daily analysis on the price, see what is happening and where the price could be going in the immediate short term. As always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at the price of Ladies right now as of June 27th, 2023, you can see the price is currently sitting at 49,683. We're up 4.3% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up 2% in Bitcoin and 1% in Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. And if we're looking at its market cap, $44.1 million, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $5 million. So now comes the question, is this about time where we finally see Ladies hit a new monthly high? That's what we're going to be discussing. So as of June 27th, if you're looking at the holder count, you can see this for yourself. We have decreased a little bit, currently sitting at 15,752 holders. But of course, the most important thing, as I've told you guys, is that we're still holding above that 15,000 holder count, which is a great thing to point out. But of course, now the question that everyone is probably wondering is what is happening with the price. So let's look into that. If we're looking at its market cap, it's almost at $44 million. And if we look at the bigger picture, let's see what really is happening. So obviously yesterday we saw the price go back down to the $40 million mark at that 4.567 cents mark. And of course, we got supported by the June 18th support line and obviously the resistance back on June 16th as well. So obviously that did play out as a level of support for us. But right now, of course, Bitcoin has decided to gain a new green candle towards the upside, which is affecting Ladies as well, along with other altcoins in the crypto space right now. So obviously Ladies is reacting to the Bitcoin move, which we've been talking about. I've been telling you guys that Ladies will react to Bitcoin's momentum. We're seeing the correlation right in front of us, and obviously this move that we're seeing happening right now is not coming as a surprise to me. So if you picked up some Ladies on June 26th, you are up right now about 8%. So now comes the question, are we finally about to crack past a new monthly high? Because that's what we need. Of course, as I've told you guys, once we hit that new monthly high, that's where I personally think that things are going to start looking really, really good for Ladies, and we could potentially see the next leg up that everyone is waiting for. But of course, let's not forget, this month has been insanely bullish, to say the least, for the price of Ladies. If I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, we're about 31% away for us to hit a new monthly high. And remember, as I've said to you guys from the beginning, Ladies has a low market cap. If Bitcoin really pushes towards the upside, hits a new yearly high, I'm expecting that Ladies will pull something that it did back last week, where we saw Ladies outperform Bitcoin and majority of the markets. And that is just how it is going to go. And obviously people are going to come out and say, but why was Ladies dumping so hard over the past day or two? Remember, we saw Ladies drop 35% from its monthly high, and that is to be expected. Higher risk, higher reward. And if you think that is not going to happen, if you're not okay with that, then the exit door is right in front of you. No one is telling you, no one is forcing you to be holding Ladies. And of course, when it comes to taking risks, it's no secret at this point, anyone that is in Ladies right now are willing to take more risk. And if that's not you and you're still invested, then I will give you a heads up to exit, because this can go down really fast. It can go also up really fast. It all depends on Bitcoin's volatility. But if you're willing to bear the risk and you have done your due diligence and research and have invested where you can afford to lose, then of course, as always, patience is your number one key to follow. And as I've told you guys before too, I hold Ladies. And, I think it's going to hit a new yearly high. New monthly high sooner than a lot of people think. It all depends on Bitcoin, because remember, Bitcoin saw a beautiful bounce this month, and obviously it's seeing a little bit of a cool off, which is normal. A lot of people think, the price is going to go up straight to the moon. That's not how things work. We're going to see consolidations happen. It's part of the cryptocurrency markets, and that's what you need to be able to, handle. that's basically what I'm trying to say. But now what we're seeing happening with ladies right now is, obviously the price is moving towards the upside. It's no secret at this point. We're moving towards the upside, but at the same time, we're facing some resistance coming up on our end. And this resistance is obviously really, really important for the price of ladies to break. If we break out of here, we could be heading back really, really quick to that 5.614 cents mark, and potentially even breaking out of this level of resistance, which we only broken once, which was obviously 3 days back. But this time around, if we're able to break it, I think we will hit a new monthly high. I don't know why I keep saying yearly, so apologies on that, because I'm so used to analyzing Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is really close to hitting a new yearly high once again, so that's why I keep on saying yearly. But anyways, looking at the dominance on the other hand, dominance is still sky high right now, which is insane. It hasn't even budged a little, and that shows this momentum is different. This momentum is so bullish on BTC, and it reminds me of 2020 bull cycle. We originally saw Bitcoin, take a massive move towards the upside, and then we saw altcoins go, and then we saw a consolidation phase, and then we saw altcoins go again. Bitcoin halving came. Everything went crazy. So we're starting to see similar patterns occur right now. But Bitcoin is looking insanely bullish. And if it were to hit a new yearly high, be prepared for ladies to move towards the upside as well. My next target for the price of Milady would be around that 8015 cents mark, which I've told you guys before, and that is a move from the current price levels about 62.34%. And I really think that could come true really fast, especially if we hit a new monthly high for the price of ladies. But this is where I want to hear from you guys. What are your thoughts on this right now? Are you guys holding some other coins? What is your strategy on ladies? Do you think ladies is going to hit that target that I'm aiming for? Do you guys think something else? I want to hear from you guys, because of course we work as a community. We hear everyone else's thoughts. So I want to hear from you guys in the comment section that what are your thoughts on the entire situation right now for the price of Miladies. But nonetheless, broader things for looking. Remember, people are gonna forget this. People tend to forget this, but if you picked it up on June 6th low, you are still up 161%. A lot of people will ignore that, but that is right in front of us, and no one can really deny that. Of course, right now we are facing some resistance, but if we're able to crack past this resistance, I really do believe something big is coming for the price of ladies. But of course, we will take it one step at a time. Let's all pray that Bitcoin hits a new yearly high, and then we will see ladies react to that as well. But like I said, I want to hear from you guys in the comment section. If you guys are new, do not forget to subscribe. Love each and every one of you guys. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.